I bought this van in Chicago and I live in Utah. So Lisa and I flew out to Chicago and then drove it home. And on the way home, as we were driving, we heard a big thump and didn't realize it till a day or two later that something had hit the taillight and broken it. And so I've been actually looking for the taillight replacement for several months. And they changed the taillight in 2019. It was a little bit harder to find, and they were real expensive, like $200. And I've been checking, and the price just dropped recently down to, I think I got this for $130. So I went ahead and ordered it. So today I'm going to change it out. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But first, I'm Jeff. And on this channel, my wife Lisa and I share our van life experiences. Things like product reviews, tips and hacks, van build how-tos, plus van lifestyle and travel. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get a T25 Torx bit, and there's 2 screws that you're going to have to take out. Okay, so next you're just going to pop this out, and it's just held by these 2 screws, and then there's 3 kind of rivets, plastic rivets holding it on the side. So if you just work this out, and then I'm going to have to close the door. So there we go. So those, they did break off, but the new light comes with the rivet, so you don't need to worry about those. So then there's just a wire harness here, and I'm just going to remove that. There we go. So there's just a couple of little things you push on the clip, and then it pops right out. So that's it, pretty simple. And then the new one just pops right back in. So if any of these break off, like this one did, this one didn't. There is a spot in the middle, but the light actually doesn't have one here. So it just has the 2. But if any of them break off, you're just going to want to pop them out with some pliers. There we go. Then you're just going to plug the harness back in. There's a couple of little parts that kind of pop out, and those you can see where those match up. So you just pop that in until it clicks. You just want to make sure you have those rivets lined up. There's the top one, there's the bottom one. And then I'm just going to screw the screws back in. So once you get the plastic rivets popped back in, then all you need to do is put back in the screws. But first, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps us out, and consider subscribing to our channel. It's about literally a 10-minute job at most. Save you a couple $100 from going to the dealer, and really simple. We'll see you in the next video.